Ramogi Jochiw thieth mawuok e kaunti ma Siaya ma bende tiyo e bwo chenro mar chiwo thieth mong'ere kaka Universal Health Care okwayo gavana ma kono James Orengo mondo chop singo mage mag ndikogi e tich e yo mongirore. Ka gitwagi jofwambo machiegni kod apis gavana mayudore e boma ma Siaya e kinde mane gichopo kanyo mondo gichwal ywak margi. Jochiw thieth go kotelnegi kod Kalebo Ginga kaachiel kod Lorin Nabwire ong'ure wi kaka tend kaunti osebedo ka ok dewgi e kinde mag ndiko ji e tich ka bende giywago mibadhi ma okwako chenro ma kamano. Gimedo ni moko kuomgi ma osebed ka iluongo mondo dadhogi ne yudo tich pod ichako ikwayo asoya.
The governor promised us that no recruitment will take place within the county without being considered. It happened and we are just there. And if at all you found yourself in the recruitment, you had to dig down in your pocket, which happened to majority, and those who are not able to afford that, majority were dispersed, and you can hear we have lost like 5 colleagues. Who is our employer? Very important. If you are told we are the employees of county government, then be it. If you are employees of national government, then be it. We should be answerable to our employer.
Na nimekuwa kwa contract for the past 5 years with no gratuity, no allowances, no NSSF remittance. Saizi pia kitu yenye natusumbua sana na SHA pia haifanyi. Umekuwa ukitudodge, you don't want to see us.
Some of us are stressed up. Currently we have a colleague who is dead due to stress. If you go to see a county referral hospital morgue, you will find her lying down there. If you don't report to job, they will call you. Mbona hujaenda kazi? And they will threaten you with letters and messages.
We can't continue to suffer under contract. When we see our juniors, me, for example, there are people who have mentored, and now they are in PNP. How does it